Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling measured ingredients and lining an 8x8 pan so you can move quickly. Heat 3/4 cup heavy cream with 1/2 cup butter just until it simmers. You want steam, not a rolling boil. Once the cream is hot, pour it over 12 Oz chocolate chips in a heat-proof bowl and wait 1 minute so the chips soften. Then whisk until glossy and fully emulsified. This is your ganache base and the core of a condensed milk-free fudge. Once the ganache is smooth and slightly cooled so it's warm but not hot, stir in 1 teaspoon vanilla and sift in 2 tablespoons cocoa powder for structure. This gives body and chew similar to condensed milk. Make sure you add powdered sugar only if you want a stiffer texture. Otherwise, the crushed Oreos provide bulk. Fold in the bulk of crushed Oreos until evenly distributed. Leave half a cup of bigger chunks to press on top for texture and visual appeal. You press the mixture firmly into the lined pan using a spatula or parchment to smooth the surface. Then scatter the reserved Oreo chunks and press lightly. Chill at least 2 to 3 hours until fully set. Make sure the fridge is cold so the ganache firms into fudge. To cut clean squares, run a knife under hot water and wipe between cuts. If the fudge becomes grainy, rewarm gently over a double boiler and whisk in 1 tablespoon warm cream until it re-emulsifies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.